Whisper Step Premium Underlayment provides worry-free, lifetime support for many types of flooring, making it the best solution for noise and moisture control. Installation is simple. All you'll need is Whisper Step, a broom, and a pair of scissors. Begin by preparing your subfloor. Make sure it is flat, remove staples, nails, or other obstructions, and sweep up any debris. Next, roll out Whisper Step. Notice how it stays completely flat, unlike lightweight foam underlayments. Align the edges, making sure there is no gapping. Finally, install your flooring. Whisper Step is made from high-density, durable synthetic rubber and provides exceptional support under many types of flooring. Whisper Step utilizes noise guard to significantly reduce impact noise, up to 10 decibels in-room and up to a 25% reduction between floors. With over 5,000 pounds of support, Whisper Step is the strongest, most durable underlayment available. It's engineered to last the life of your floor and will never crush or collapse like other underlayments. Whisper Step's block-out moisture guard prevents spills from reaching the subfloor and allows water vapor to evaporate. Its mold and mildew guard antimicrobial protection inhibits the growth of mold, mildew, and odor-causing bacteria. Installing a new floor is a major home improvement project and considerable investment. It's important to remember that once it's installed, most of the time, there's no going back. Protect your flooring investment and do it right the first time with Whisper Step.